Kiumia githiru niguo aikari a matura ma wodi ya MBIRI mwena wa Kiharu MURANG'A macakaire kunyarirwo ni muici uĩkaine ta Wagathanwa kumana na ngumo yake ya gwitwaria Gathanwa karia avunjaga nyumba CIENE nako na gucoka guikia betro thiini wa nyumba akihahura kumimundia mwaki wakorwo ndagwitikirio atabanie wĩkinaĩ. Matuko 40 ma Wagathanwa magikinya muthia umuthi thutha wake gũikio ngono ni maabitha borithi ta uria kamanda wa borithi kaunti-ini ya MURANG'A David Mathio atariirie.
Serious criminal who is very notorious, and we managed to arrest him yesterday in the afternoon, and this notorious criminal has been involved in committing serious crimes like robberies, and he has been applying strategies like carrying petrol and an axe.
Wagathanwa araikirio ngono riria riakinyitie igoti-ini riake no gwitika cira wa wĩkinaĩ. Kamanda ugite andu 8 aria mageretwo ngeno ni Wagathanwa ni amwe aria mamutamburite mamuona. Umwe wao ari mutumia ugite ngero iria agerirwo ni Mwikuirwo ndakaria nginya riria agakua. Riri Wagathanwa etereire kuhingurirwo thitango, borithi ni mahurite rithathi mukora umwe wa ngeni ya meitu irethaite na nguo cia kijeshi riria mikora ino iratharikiire kinyuiro kia maguta mwena wa Kandara na riria marahovaniirio ni borithi marambiriria kurathukia rithathi.
There were some 4 suspicious people who had gone into a petrol station, and they were attempting to demolish the wall so that they can steal money from where money is kept in that petrol station. Eventually, our officers moved in swiftly within very few minutes, and after challenging these people, they started running away as they shot towards our officers.
Borithi makiru makini kuhurana na wĩkinaĩ kaimana mwena wa MURANG'A kuona Wagathanwa ni ekirite aikari aingi hahu ni uria akoretwo akimagagia. Thikũ 40 cia Wagathanwa cigikinya muthia kuona riu erekeire kuhingurirwo thitango cia wĩkinaĩ. Wakiigua kamuhwa ngunyera niguo ngururirie na nguthererie tondu gaka ni kanya kohoro kuma metumi ndigi maguru. Ritwa riakwa ni Sera Wambui wa Mwangi.